Hello, my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you are so very welcome indeed, my darlings. We are having a meet and greet on the 20th of July, my darlings, and it's going to be what? It's going to be absolutely fabulous and exclusive of my brand. Yes, for the first time ever, you're going to have exclusive access to it, and I cannot wait. There's going to be food, drink, dancing, vendors, Q&A, gifts, prizes, goodie bags. Darling, when I tell you it's a treat, you don't want to miss it at all. The tickets are below, and I cannot wait to see you. The Sabali Group is a wonderful company that will take care of your hotel rooms, take care of your flights for Fumi Nation that regularly fly out from different countries. I am so honored. I am so honored. You just get in touch with my darling brother Martin. He took care of Fumi Nation last year. He is absolutely amazing. I love you, Martin, for all that you do. Thank you very much for being a huge sponsor again this year. Cannot wait to see you on the 20th of July at the Novotel Hotel here in London, and it's going to be really truly the best ever. So why are we here? Well, I'll tell you why we are here. Jennifer Lopez is out here in these streets talking about she wants to have some sort of tell-all. You know, she's planning and plotting a revenge tell-all after being left seething because Ben Affleck is capitalizing on their divorce. And so it goes on to say that jilted Jennifer Lopez is planning a sensational a sensational tell-all revenge interview about her marriage to Ben Affleck after the Oscar winner branded their breakup as embarrassing. Affleck, 52, lifted the lid on their private lives after promising JLo he wouldn't divulge their details of their doomed relationship. And now sources say the angry actress is out for revenge, Radar Online can reveal. A source told us Jen is fuming over Ben's careless use of the word embarrassing in reference to their divorce. It's as if he's throwing a grenade into their already tense situation, and she's having none of it. How can he prattle on about their private life when he's the one who insisted on keeping it hush hush? It's like he's begging for the spotlight with this PR stunt, and she's ready to give him a taste of his own medicine. She's done being quiet, for one. He ignited a fire in her, and now she's seriously considering a tell-all. She's got a lot to say, and it will not be all rainbows and sunshine. She's thinking it's time to hold him accountable for the nonsense he put her through. I didn't think much of it. I left it because I was like, read online, you know, people like to talk, you know, and there's no point coming out here making JLo look as if she's going to, you know, do something crazy. I wanted more, but I didn't get anything from there. Then Fumi Nation sent me this, where our beautiful Benny Pooh is promoting his film, The Accountable. Congratulations, Ben. You know, I'm always happy for you. And he's a wonderful actor. He really is a good actor. I do think that, you know, he does one or two things out here in these streets. And he showed up. He showed up on the carpet with Jennifer's children. Isn't that fabulous? Ben Affleck says he adores his spectacular ex Jennifer Lopez as he attends The Accountant 2 premiere with her kids. Affleck said his ex-wife is an enormously important, tremendous person with a lot of integrity who I adore. Ben Affleck's latest movie premiere was a blended family affair, and he took the opportunity to praise his ex-wife Jennifer Lopez too. While speaking on the red carpet at the Los Angeles premiere of his new film The Accountant 2 on April the 16th, a lot happened on the 16th of April this year, Affleck, 52, told Entertainment Tonight that he had not only been joined by his kids for the event, but his ex's children too. It's a great night. The kids are here. Jen's kids are here. I'm very, very excited. Affleck told the outlet, "I'm proud of the movies. I love the movie, and I love when all of the kids come out. It's really fun and exciting." The actor shares Violet 19, Serafina 16, and Samuel 13 with his first wife Jennifer Gardner. While Lopez, you see how they didn't say Jennifer Lopez, Ben, step and repeat. 55 is a mom to twins Max and Emmy 17 with her ex-husband Mark Anthony. So I just put 2 and 2 together and I said maybe he wanted to do good on the first interview and just have glowing love for Jennifer Lopez. I also will say that sometimes it's very difficult. You put your foot in it when you have these interviews because in your mind you know what you're saying and then it comes out differently. I honestly think that when he said it was embarrassing, the embarrassment was to him. It's an embarrassment that he has gotten married to this beautiful woman again and it didn't work out. We don't know how the relationship panned out. All we know is that nobody is 100% to blame and nobody is 100% innocent. And I think he was taking accountability to say, you know what, it's so embarrassing, you know, that we didn't make it. And perhaps, if it is true, Jennifer took it the wrong way. That, oh, I'm an embarrassment now. I've been humiliated by you. Now it's an embarrassment. So I think he said, you know what? Well, the accountant is coming out. Let me come out here in these streets and hold Jennifer's children, my children, you know, and then just give a glowing compliment to Jennifer. And perhaps she just might not come out with that tell-all. That's how I see it. Relationships are difficult. And when it comes to divorce and parting ways, very, 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 very small percentage of adults can walk out here and be an adult. I saw Diana Ross once, and this was a couple of years ago, on television, of course, and she was performing. And in the audience, she had 2 ex-husbands. And I thought, that's a fabulous woman. That's a fabulous woman, and those are fabulous men. Children first, you have to be an adult and you move on with your life and you enjoy your life. And I just thought that was just a huge example for me. It was really a great example. Just be adults about it, and if something bothers you, talk about it. That's the way I look at it. Anyway, my darlings, you let me know down in the comment section how you feel, and I live and love you always. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, and hit the notification button, and I will see you sooner than later. All of my love. Always, always all of my love.